We out in the hill country, project 216 out in Austin. My client has a new build on the ground, so take a trip out here every so often. Come put my eyes on it, see the progress of it. It's been a very slow build. They've had a lot of problems with getting their hands on GCs and contractors and people to come out in this portion of town. But you can see they have the 8-foot doors in. We got our sheetrock in. Our tile is in. So we're gonna take a little time and kind of walk through, check it out. As you can see, the vaulted ceilings. Things are looking good. And it's coming together, one step at a time. Got a little dip right here in the floor. Got a little dip right there. So I had the clients take a look at it. And we're just moving slow. This has been one of the slowest builds on my list. But Austin is a real hot market. They're having a hard time getting their hands on contractors and on different trades. And as you can see, these boys drink a lot of beer on the project. But look at that view. Beautiful. No back neighbors. Little retention pond. Just quiet. For my clients, first-time home buyers. Encourage them to stop wasting money on rent. And they were able to get in at a cheap enough price to where now they're moving in with plenty equity because of the dirt bill. This is horrible. These guys got to do better. But when the labor force is short, they'll do anything. So we've come a long way. This house has been on the ground for months, but we're working at it slowly. And this is just to show you how every builder does something different. This builder here is running PVC pipe under the sidewalk before the concrete is poured and under the driveway. So when it comes to running your sprinkler systems from one side to the other, you already have a pipe that you can feed the sprinkler heads through. So that way you can get the pipe under the sidewalk so you can get to the grass that's on the other side. So this is just a good tip to help you get to the next level in your new build. So this is a suggestion that we suggest that you present to your realtor, that you present to the builder to see if this is something they can do. If they don't install sprinkler systems, you'll already have the piping in place, so it'll save you a little money later on in the project. So let me get to work. Got some work to do, got some video footage to shoot. But just trying to give you an idea of what we see on the front end. This is your boy, B-Spot.